If you're serious about breaking a bad habit, here are 4 simple but powerful ways to break a bad habit.
The moment you decide enough is the moment everything changes. Let's be honest, bad habits don't look dangerous at first. They look normal, comfortable, even enjoyable. That's why they survive, and slowly, they start deciding your life. Here are 4 ways to break a bad habit. Number 1, stop negotiating with yourself. I'll stop tomorrow. Just one more time. Let me enjoy small. That voice is not you. It's the habit protecting itself. Every time you negotiate, you lose authority over your own life. Real change starts when you give final decisions, not flexible promises.
Number 2, make the habit expensive. Right now, your bad habits are cheap. No consequences, no accountability. So your brain keeps choosing them. Attach pain to it. Waste time, lose money. Break discipline, lose access. Miss target, face consequences. If it costs you nothing, it will never leave you.
Before we continue, my website, learnwithblessed.com, is now open. Free tools, free blog. Save your money on courses. Just go learn there. I made it for you. Everything I know is there. The link is in my profile.
Number 3, remove the triggers, not just the habit. You keep trying to stop the action, but you protect what feeds it. Same environment, same people, same patterns. That's why you keep going back. You don't rise above habits. You fall back to your environment. Change what surrounds you, or keep repeating yourself.
Number 4, replace it. Don't just stop it. You can't just stop. Your mind hates emptiness. If you remove a habit without replacing it, another one will take its place. That's why people quit one bad habit and pick up another. So don't just remove it. Replace it with something that moves your life forward.
Dear viewers, your life is not built in one moment. It is built daily by what you repeat. Bad habits don't destroy you instantly. They do it slowly until your potential disappears quietly. So decide now, kill the habit or let it kill your future.
If you learned something valuable from this, comment, "I'm blessed." To learn everything I know, visit my website, learnwithblessed.com. Every day, go to my blog, use my free tools. Please don't forget to follow or subscribe to grow and learn with Blessed.